Hello everyone, my name is Reja and welcome to a brand new tutorial on Remote Oracle Database Connection by CMD and how to we execute script file. Prerequisite is you have to install the Oracle database first. Without wasting time, let's move to the main tutorial. First we need to open the PowerShell here. Just open it by clicking on Run as Administrator mode actually. Just click on it and here we can see the window, and here we need to write sqlplus /no log, and after hitting on enter key we can see and the SQL mode is open, but we just connect to remote database first by using sqlplus connect, and then username sys, and then user password sys123, and host name localhost, and here port 26, and then SID service name DBA 16711G. Here we can see the this is the sysdb, so we must have to give as sysdba. So here we can see the connection, and then username, then password, and here we can see the location or host name. Here you can put the IP address as you configure your remote host name, and there and then we can see the service name, and the user is a sysdb. So after hitting on enter key we can see the user is connected. So here we can see the possible tables or and any other database objects. So in this way we can connect to remote database by using command prompt. I already created a tab underscore script.sql file, and in this file we have some SQL statement. Yeah, we can see drop table testdb and create table testdb. Here we can see the column ID and name, and then the separator. Here we can use the separator, and then this is the PLSQL statement, and this is for a statement, and this statement will be executed till 10,000. So this is the insert statement inside the loop statement, and finally we select all the rows by using this statement. So this is the query snippet or query. I just want to run this script file on CMD. So let's go to the CMD. Here we can see this is the connection. So we just need to write here at, and then location. Where is the location? Here we can see dclone / tabscript.sql, dclone / tab underscore script.sql, and then semicolon tab script. Okay. So that's hit on enter key. And we can see the script is running. So our total insertion of record was 10,000. So our script file is run. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.